In this challenge, we're going to deal with loops in JavaScript, and we have two tasks listed right here. So we're going to have a function called vowels and consonants, and we're going to have a string called s. The first thing that we have to do is to loop through that string character by character, and we need to print each vowel on a new line. And we need to print them in the same order as they appear inside of our string. And secondly, we need to print each consonant in the same order as it appears in our string. So this here could be the solution. First, I grab their list here, which are the vowels in the English language, and I store them inside of an array. So here I'm saying let vowels equals this array of characters. I could actually use a string directly, but since we used a string in the previous challenge, I want to show you guys a new way of solving such coding challenges. So here I have my first loop, and I'm looping from 0 until the end of my string. And then at every iteration, I'm verifying if the character inside of my string here is part of this set of characters. If it is, it means that the current character at my current iteration is actually a vowel. And in this case, I want to log it to the console. Then once I'm done printing all the vowels on their own line, because if you use the console log statement like this, line by line is going to print whatever you pass it here line by line. So once I'm done with this loop here, I can move to my next loop and I do pretty much the same thing, but notice that I have this exclamation point to negate this condition here. So if I have a vowel, adding this exclamation point is going to negate that and make it false, meaning that the current character here is not a vowel, and in this case, it's going to be a consonant. So I can print that to the console. Here I'm running this code, and we've passed the sample test case. So now I'm going to submit it. And we've passed both test cases. So that's it for day 2, loops under 10 days of JavaScript. If you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.